Hey, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ann. And if you're not, welcome back. Glad to have you. And today we are going to be unboxing this is a Ipsy glam bag mystery. I thought I'd get one. We'd open it and see what's in here. So it doesn't tell you, it tells you brands that you could get. But it is the mystery box. Oh, I like the first thing I see. It is Precise Powder SL42. It is a little brush. I do like it. And it is by SL Miss Glam. Slim SL Miss Glam is what I call it. But it is a cute little brush. This would be good to put under, I'm not touching my skin, but it would be good to like powder your under eyes or really anything. So I do like that. The bag says, "Take me away." Okay, so the first thing we got is by Colored Rain. And this is an eyeshadow Champagne Life. You know, I think I've got this one. I'm not for sure. I've got some of these. I'm not sure if I got this one or not. They're very, very creamy, very pigment. Ooh, I like that. Like, look. Well. So I do like that. This eye was like watering this morning, and it's like, I think it's my allergies. Okay, so I didn't get this when they done this. This is the Betty Boop times Ipsy mascara. I got the lipstick. I got the, I didn't get the mascara, I don't think. I was trying to look, but I don't think I did. I got the lipstick. I got the eyeshadow palette. I got the blush trio. So I did not get the mascara. I think this, it and one lipstick was all I didn't get. So here it is. I do like the one. So far, we've opened 3 things, and they've all been really good. But their mystery bags, I want to say, are around $14. I do have this, so I'm not going to open it. It's the hand and body lotion, sweet orange and elm. I'm going to go ahead. It's 1 fluid ounce. I'm going to go ahead and put it up for a giveaway. It is really, really good. It makes your hands like really, really soft. So I'm going to put that in my giveaway stuff right now, so I don't forget about it with their other stuff I've been collecting. Okay, so this is the Tarte H2O Gloss. I have a few of these. I don't know if I've got this shade or not. I'm not sure. But they are really, really good. So I like that. Out of 4 things, you know, that was like really, really good. And then we got the lip fondant half cake. You're getting 0.14 flow ounces, which is 4 milliliters. And Power Trip. I don't know. I've got a few of these. I don't know if I got this one or not. No, I don't think. So really cute packaging. Ooh, no, I don't got this one. It's like a dark, like brownish red. It's really pretty. It'd be like a fall color. What I'd wear that for. Or a navy color. I do like it. The only thing I don't like about the half cakes is they seem to really dry your lips up. Some of them does. I got one that I like, and then the other one, it's like I got two that like overdries my lips. So I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. And I guess that is it already. These are, I think, like around $14 a piece. Maybe $14.99. They always do like mystery bags, or they do like you can go back and buy like bags from the past or something like that. I've done one of the mystery bags before. It was a really good bag too. Back, I want to say like November, December, and it was really good. And I don't know, it's all about the surprise. I like to be surprised. I'm not really sure if I got the color Rain or not. And I'm not really sure because I've got like a few of these. I'm not sure if I got this color or not. I done it with add-ons, which is probably do have it. Extra add-ons last month. I done extra add-ons this month, which I think will be here in a few days. Like, I do like how they do like now, like, you know, like a week or two after, you know, they do the big bag reveal. I always forget it, and I don't do add-ons. And then, like, they do, like, you've unlocked add-ons again. And so I did buy some extra add-ons, like, last month. And I did get a few of these. I didn't get one of them. I got two of them. I think they had, like, three. So hopefully this is the one I don't have. I think it is. And like this is almost dried. You can see how it dries down like really, really matte. Like this, it's almost dried. But it dries down like really, really matte. And you gotta be very, very careful with it. It'll like start like busting apart. I do like a good dry down, but then also I don't like for my lips to be like over dry, like they don't have nothing to it. But you can throw like a gloss or something on top of it and do it like that. But that does, on its own, these are no good. Is my opinion. They need something to go with them because they just like over dry. I don't know if you guys can tell how dried down that is. I've got like highlighter on my hands and shadow. And these like really, they're not that good. I thought about, and when I first seen it, I thought about putting it in a giveaway, but they're not really that good. And I don't want to send you, I don't want to like have a giveaway and send you guys junk. So I'll keep this and maybe try to make it work with gloss or something, because these aren't, I don't think is like that good. Like, even like this little thing dries down. The Kat Von D, it dries down, but it doesn't crack apart and like then leave you like no lipstick. I hate that. Okay, so we got 6 items, I think. Yeah, 6 items, $14 for $12 is our regular bag, and we did get a cute little bag. Take Me Away. It's kind of like, does it go with the theme this month or something? Like, this is the bag from this month, but it's kind of like going together here. But I love the brush. I love getting brushes. The mascara, I hadn't tried it, so I think I'm going to enjoy that. The lip gloss, I know I'm going to love. The eyeshadow, I know I'll use it. The hand, I put hand cream went in a future giveaway. I've got some other stuff for a future giveaway. So you'll just have to stay tuned for that. And I guess that is it. I thought it was a really good mystery bag. I really like mystery bags. I've always been bad about getting on eBay, buying mystery boxes just to see what I got. I ain't done one on here in a while. I need to do that, is get a Amazon mystery makeup bag. I did talk to some people, a seller by the name of Harley on Amazon that does have some really good mystery boxes, and I've been wanting to try one of her boxes, and I think they're going to be really good. I've seen some unboxings, a couple unboxings from other YouTubers that unboxed her boxes, and they are really good, but she's got some really good stuff there too. But I think I'm going to try one of her mystery boxes next. The ones I got, a couple of them I did not like. Most of them I did not like, to be honest. I don't think I really got my money's worth. So I'm going to try that. But I just want to try a little mystery, spice it up and see what I get. But I did like pretty much everything but the half-baked liquid lip. And I guess that is it for this video. I hope you guys did like this mystery bag unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and join the family, and we would be glad to have you. And I guess that is it. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.